Welcome to a journey of transformation, where what you eat becomes who you are. Today we explore the Pegan Diet, a revolutionary approach to nourishment that bridges ancient wisdom with modern science. This isn't just about losing weight or looking good. It's about creating the biochemical foundation for longevity, mental clarity, and even spiritual advancement. The Pegan Diet, coined by Dr. Mark Hyman, brilliantly merges the best principles of paleo and vegan approaches. But it's more than a diet, it's a philosophy of nourishment. At its core, the Pegan Diet recognizes a profound truth. Food is not just fuel, it's information. Every bite you take sends messages to your genes, your cells, and your consciousness. The Pegan principles are elegantly simple. 1. Eat real whole foods as nature intended. 2. Make plants the star of your plate. 3. Choose high-quality proteins mindfully. 4. Embrace healthy fats as friends, not foes. 5. Minimize sugar and refined carbohydrates. 6. Avoid ultra-processed foods and chemical additives. But why does this matter for your journey through life? Your body is an exquisite symphony of biochemical reactions. When you provide the right ingredients, this symphony plays harmoniously, creating the conditions for both longevity and expanded consciousness. Let's talk about serotonin, the neurotransmitter associated with well-being and happiness. Did you know that 95% of your serotonin is produced in your gut? The microbiome that flourishes in your digestive system depends entirely on what you feed it. The Pegan Diet's emphasis on colorful plant foods rich in polyphenols and fiber creates the perfect environment for these beneficial bacteria to thrive. When they flourish, so does your production of serotonin, literally manufacturing happiness from the inside out. And what about DMT, the powerful endogenous compound some call the spirit molecule? Research suggests that optimal nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting your pineal gland's function, which is associated with DMT production. The Pegan approach directly addresses the core mechanisms of aging at the cellular level. By maintaining stable blood sugar and insulin levels through its low glycemic approach, it helps prevent the glycation that damages proteins throughout your body. Vibrant plant foods provide antioxidants that combat free radical damage. Quality proteins supply the amino acid building blocks your body needs for repair. Healthy fats support cell membrane integrity and brain function. Together, these nutritional strategies activate longevity pathways like AMPA and sirtuins, the same pathways triggered by beneficial stress like fasting and exercise. This isn't about simply adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Throughout history, spiritual traditions have recognized the connection between physical discipline and spiritual advancement. Fasting, dietary restrictions, and mindful eating practices appear across cultures for good reason. A calm, clear mind, free from the inflammation and energy crashes caused by poor nutrition, creates the ideal conditions for meditation, contemplation, and spiritual growth. When your brain chemistry is balanced through optimal nutrition, the pathways for profound experiences and insights become more accessible. Clarity replaces brain fog. Sustained energy replaces crashes. Calm replaces anxiety. So how do you bring the Pegan principles into your daily life? Start with your plate. Fill 75% with colorful vegetables and some fruits. Add a palm-sized portion of quality protein, perhaps wild fish, organic eggs or plant proteins if that aligns with your values. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds and olive oil. Season with herbs and spices, nature's medicine cabinet. What you remove matters as much as what you add. Minimize refined carbohydrates and sugars that spike blood glucose. Avoid industrial seed oils high in inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids. And say goodbye to ultra-processed foods designed in laboratories rather than grown in soil. Listen to your body's wisdom. Some thrive with more plant foods, others with more protein. The beauty of the Pegan approach is its flexibility within principles. The Pegan Diet offers a path to nourish not just your body but your mind and spirit. By aligning your nutrition with nature's wisdom, you create the biochemical foundation for longevity, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. Remember, you are literally built from what you eat. Choose to build yourself from materials worthy of the magnificent being you are becoming. Your journey to optimal health starts with your next meal. What message will you send to your genes, your cells, and your consciousness today? Visit digitaldharma.io to learn more.